Hi everyone, Stephen from the Flyby guys, coming to you from Helsinki and right outside of the Finnish Parliament, which is the home of Finnish democracy. I wanted to make this video because we have an ongoing issue just now, especially with the Finnish government, is that the government has asked the public to report any suspicious drone activity or report any drone activity that they see in restricted areas. And this is a result of the 3 drones that came in from Ukraine, which landed in Finland, in the east of Finland, which the government and the authorities handled extremely well. It was done within a few days. There was an apology from the Ukraine about the airspace intrusion, all the rest of it. So, but of course, it's caused an issue in terms of a little bit of fear, especially with the amount of reporting that has been going on. So the Finnish government has said that would the public report any suspicious activity. Now, we're starting our spring season here now. Drone activity is going to be at its highest because all the projects are starting, certainly for us who are, we are busy all year round anyway, but we have some new projects starting where guys are just getting out to go and start the work. And this then becomes a problem, because what is suspicious activity, and do the public really know where restricted areas are? So there's no clear line for the public and what to do here, and this is my issue here with the Finnish government, is that they need to have a clearer scope as to tell the public what is suspicious, because what is suspicious drone activity? I don't even know if I know that, but of course I think we can give a good guess, and I'm sure the government doesn't know that either. So my fear is that drone operators such as ourselves will be harassed, will have their time wasted, and the emergency services will also have their time wasted. So this is a problem which I think needs to be sorted. This is not going to just happen here in Finland. This is going to happen elsewhere as well around Europe, where there's going to be a drone activity which, is going to be investigated and whatnot. So it's good that we tackle this now if the government wants to, but they should, and they cannot just leave it as, let's say, report any suspicious activity, because it's not defined. What is suspicious activity? So I really hope that the Finnish government sorts this out before there's a panic, and before drone operators and also the hobbyists get somewhat harassed, and we get a bad name, because most of us, if not all of us, do good here, and we are doing the work which is helping society, inspections and whatnot, and we're also flying in restricted areas. So it's hard to really say that if you have a drone in a restricted area, it shouldn't be there. Well, if it's in a restricted area, maybe it has the permission to do that, as we often do. So that's all I wanted to say. This is an ongoing issue, and I really hope that the government here in Finland sorts it out. There are people who know about this, who they can talk to, rather than just make statements and cause trouble. And this will have an effect, because we have deadlines, especially when it comes to the springtime. So there's work that has to get done, and we have to get that done in time. So hopefully that will be the case. Anyway, thank you for your time. I will leave you on this wet and damp, cold Easter Monday, and I'll continue my nice walk for the day. Fly safe.